镜头换来看国外，东非国家肯亚有一间女校的宿舍是发生严重的火灾，造成16个学生死亡，也有79个人送病院。当局当要来调查，敢有人为的疏失。
Most of the parents who are still here are those whose daughters are being questioned by the Director of Criminal Investigation. If those who are being interviewed are able to at least shed some light or give us a hint on what really transpired, then I think that is it.
大镇的警方甲家长是聚集伫咧宿舍的外口，真激动，甚至双方过起冲突。这家长是要求要来看遗体，确认囡仔的下落。其实当地有真侪宿舍拢住甲伤客，消防设备阁不足，而且也有电线老旧的问题。伫前年9月嘛，当发生校园火灾，造成21个学生死亡，甚至伫咧2001年，阁捌有宿舍的火灾，造成67个人死亡。这是当地上严重的校园火灾事件。